Calculating student grades in Microsoft Excel is now easier than ever. Let's try it out. Go to your grade cell and type equal IFS. Now select your mark cell, for example, D5. Then define your conditions step by step. If D5 is less than 60, return fail F. If D5 is less than 65, return pass P. If D5 is less than 75, return credit C. If D5 is less than 85, return distinction D. D5 is 85 or above, return higher distinction HD. Now close the bracket and press enter. Done. Just drag it down, and Excel will automatically generate grades for all students. And that's how you can create thousands of student grades in just a minute. Follow Let's Learn for more easy Excel tutorials.